Good day guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this video, I will show you how to remove a credit card from Gemini. So having the fact that Gemini is one of the apps that are within the huge Google ecosystem, also all of the other things that you might purchase, right, subscribe to, are actually within your Google account. So if you want to remove your card from Gemini, you will need to remove your card from your Google account. So how do we do this? Let's open up a new tab and then just type in Play Store. So this is the easiest way, right? Navigate to the Play Store. You can do this from both phone and your computer or a laptop. Then press on this icon of your profile picture. Then go to Payments and Subscriptions. And in here, if you have any cards, as you can see, in my case, I don't. It's just a dummy account of mine. I can only add them, but not remove. And in here, you can just remove the card. And then, for example, if you have an active subscription that will bill you the next month, the next day of the month when it's planned, then you will not be billed anymore. And the second way is just navigating to your Google Wallet, right? Then you press on Set Up Payment Methods. You'll be navigated to this interface. And right now, as you can see, this is pretty much the native and stock place where you can add or remove your cards. So if you want to remove something, just navigate to a card, remove it, and then, of course, you're not billed or charged anymore. That's it for this one, guys. 2 ways for you to do this. Enjoy, and thank you for watching.